Hi, I'm architect Monica Khosla Bhargav. I run an architecture and interior design practice by the name of Kham Consultants. An understanding of the whys and hows, the do's and don'ts of architecture and interior design is what I explain through reactions. And if you feel that this helps you to clear your concepts on this subject, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to the house of two famous sports personalities. The IPL is on in Dubai this year and we've all seen Dinesh Karthik as the captain of the Kolkata Knight Riders. He's just handed over the captaincy to Ian Morgan. But what you may not know is that he's married to another acclaimed sports person. His wife, Deepika Pallikal, is a national squash player, and today we are going to be reacting to their house featured in Asian Paints Where the Heart Is. The original video is linked below, so do check that out. So let's get started.
This is, as a couple, this is actually our first home that we built together. Here and there are obviously little furniture, little souvenirs that we still have to get, but it definitely feels like home already.
But I also feel like a house is like a child. It's always a part of you and it keeps growing as a home.
Hi guys, I'm Deepika Pallikal and welcome to my house.
Hello. This is not only your house, this is our house. I'm Dinesh Karthik, this is Deepika Pallikal. Welcome to our house.
This is Kakoshena Karthik.
This seems to be the lift lobby of the building. Let's not miss the marble wainscoting. That's the half marble on the wall. The aim is to protect the wall from wear and tear. So it would be really effective if this little puppy decides to rub itself against the wall. I have a dog at home, so I'm constantly facing that problem. These half panelings, they could be made in wood, they could be done in tiles or marble. The purpose is the same. It's just the look that varies. I feel that this one could have achieved a better finish by turning the corner. It's sort of reminding me of that phrase, cutting corners. Also look at the marble inlay on the floor. Although it's in a simple pattern, it's highlighting the lobby. It's a good idea to use these patterns on the floor in lobbies. One could do it with tiles or marble inlays as it has been done here. The idea is that these places, they don't have much furniture and that flooring detail gives a kind of a definition to the space. Let's move on to look at the apartment.
Our very first born. How old is she?
A year.
10 months?
Almost a year now.
Almost a year. And you can see she's very naughty.
I love this veranda chair. It really stands out. It seems to be in cane. Cane is extremely flexible as well as strong, and it can be used to create a vast number of designs, details, as well as craftsmanship. This chair has all of these and it sits really well in this contemporary setting of the Karthik home.
For me and Dinesh, this is like our dream home. I think as we stayed in another apartment before this, and before that we stayed in a really big house.
Note the wood false ceiling here. The Karthiks, they have a ductile split air conditioning system, which is evident from those sleek air vents that you see on the upper end of the walls. Now the main duct of the air conditioning, it requires several trap doors for the services, and the grooves of these trap doors can be very aesthetically concealed if one uses this kind of a wooden false ceiling which has been done here.
I wanted to come into the city, and this house is where we all are right now is just a dream for me and Dinesh. I think it overshot a lot of things. We didn't know if we could afford it, and I think me and Dinesh, we really worked hard to actually achieve this house. The one piece that I wanted to really stand out in the living room was a painting.
The yellow colors of the painting, they really stand out as a contrast in this room. We earlier saw a blue and grey painting on the opposite wall and the colors moving from the painting into the sofa, even the small blue vases on the tables. But I think that the color scheme of the room would integrate better if some accessories in yellow were added to this room.
For me and Dinesh, actually, we didn't really pick up stuff knowing where to put it and how to put it and what color goes where and which room it goes. Whatever we like, we just decided to pick it and we probably put it in the house wherever. That's how we really, built this house.
This place here, this is a lounge where Deepika and I spend most of our time. All the expensive items in terms of electronics comes from this space. Nothing is fragile in this place except these two things here, which is kept a far distance away from the whole setup of this place. This is a place where I would say that we spend probably 80-85% of our times. I just put the pillow there and I just watch TV from there, and in case it gets a little too tiring and I'm tired now, I just sleep off there itself. So that's the whole planning of this place, wherein I can sit, I can chill, at the same time I can sleep also. So you can understand, I spend a lot of time in this place.
Okay, so Dinesh has said that the TV room is his personal space. My bedroom is my personal space. I don't really watch a lot of TV. I'm not a person to...
There is a definite blue color scheme running through the house. We saw it in the living room, in the den, and here in this bedroom. A single color scheme in a house can sometimes unify the space, but one should keep breaking it with pops of color, otherwise it may get too monotonous. Now here, the pattern on the carpet, it's too bold and it's taking away from the headboard. So I think that when they do their accessories, they should look at buying a bolder painting for the wall, or they can look at putting in a wallpaper on that wall, or painting the headboard wall in a different color. And that will help to shift the point of focus from the floor to the wall.
To go out a lot. So my time to unwind is me sitting in front of the TV playing Mario all day long. One number does like this, no? 6.
That is a?
6.
That is a 6.
This is a 4.
This is a 4. What are you doing swimming there in the ground?
He does 4 like this.
Yeah, so that is this. 3,
Okay,
1.
actually, you know what? Yours is a complicated sports.
Are you trying to say squash is more viewer friendly than cricket?
Yeah. I did not have to sit and teach you what squash is when I met you, Dinesh.
So that's the amount of interest I have in your sport. I learned it all. As a sports person, one of the most important things in a house is where do you keep all the things. This space is where I keep all my equipments. These belong to the shoes, you can see. This is a very interesting part actually. So before every tournament I decide, suppose there's IPL, then I have to take the orange. Right now I'm playing for Gujarat Lions, so the orange pad for that. If I'm playing TNPL, that's a tournament organized within Tamil Nadu, then I'm playing for a team called 2T Patriots, so the green there. Then the Ranji Trophy and any 4-day matches, the white pad here. And obviously this, the Indian blue.
Okay, Dinesh, there's another athlete at home. Can we talk about the more important athlete, which is me in this house? So when we designed this place, we designed it for our kit bag. These are my squash bags. I only carry one squash bag to a tournament. It changes every season, the color, the design and everything else. This is my traveling kit. This is my squash kit, and as you can see, I'm a shoe fetish. One shoe which is actually, which has a very interesting story, is the first gift that Dinesh gave me. Since he wanted to impress me, he gifted me a Jimmy Choo, which I've never worn till now because I hate wearing heels, and also because when I wear heels, I'm taller than Dinesh. So
I simply love this store that has been created. It's so useful, practical, and extremely well finished. I also love the fact that it has these 2 divisions and each one is personally adjusted to the requirements of each of them. Even the color is very nice. Love it.
So this is my packing area, but I think one area which is really, really close to my heart are the achievements given by the government. So I'll take you there. I think these 4 tournaments, these 4 awards meant the world to me when I won them. Dinesh got injured actually when I was playing Commonwealth Games. He sat in the front seat watching us, cheering for us. And I think this picture is probably on my wallpaper on my phone.
Beautifully arranged achievements corner. These are the areas in a house which give that personal touch, the sense of pride, framing of medals, certificates, pictures. It's an art form by itself and it makes all the difference to a display. The framing here is excellent and it's bringing out each and every piece. Beautiful.
It has to be on his phone. This is the dining room of our house. It was actually love at first sight because as soon as we saw this table, we absolutely loved it. And when it came, actually, the tabletop, which is actually below this, you can't really see it, but below this, it was damaged because of the shipping and everything else. So we just came up with plain black granite, which actually stands out really well with the lighting that we picked.
This looks more like Italian black Marquina marble to me rather than granite, but then I'm just seeing it in this clip. Another thing that I'd like to point out are these lights above the dining table. They're quite common in Europe and the colder countries. They enjoy the aesthetic and the warmth, but it's quite unusual in India, where a fan above the dining table is a must for comfort. Also, we have a lot of insects which are attracted to the light. Their population especially goes up during this Diwali time. So it's better to avoid the lights above the dining table, and if one wants to have something decorative, we can go in for a decorative fan. Some of them nowadays have an LED built into them and their function can be operated separately from the fan. The Kartiks, of course, they have central air conditioning, so they don't have these issues.
This is actually a cross stitch done by my grandmom that she did over 2 years because it actually took a long time. I think this is a tradition that I actually would like to carry on in our family to our children and even to our grandchildren. Oh, thank you.
Sit up.
Yeah.
As Dinesh said, a house is like a child, and that's so beautifully true. They've created their home and put in all the basic necessities that each of them wanted. As their personalities start filling out the spaces, the corners, and taking ownership, it will lose that bare and impersonal feel. Also, they have such a beautiful open terrace. They can look at bringing plants and plant cuttings into the house to add that touch of softness. And if you enjoyed watching this reaction, then don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.